Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this drawing into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench. So before starting the tutorial, you can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write article and tutorials on a FreeCAD, and I also cover the other open source software. If you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on coffee.com. It is a coffee.com/mechnexus. You will also find the link in a video description. So please support me. Your small support will help these channels to grow. So this is a very simple part design for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started with a FreeCAD. So I will provide the source file and 3D model in the video description. So let's start. So here I have created a new file, and I will create a new body and create a new sketch, and from here I will switch to the orthographic and then isometric, and I will select this exact plane, and we will create our first feature. So our first feature will be this cylindrical part, or we can say circular part. So I will create a circle of dia 75 OD and 45 ID. So I will select this and give diameter 75, and OD is a 75, ID will be 45, and I will give it 45. Extrusion length is 100 mm, so I will come out of the sketch and simply go with a pad, and here I will give the 100 mm, and here I will give the symmetric to the plane, because we have to also create this profile. So in this case this will be the beneficial symmetric to the plane. And now I will on my origin plane, and I will select this mid plane and create a sketch, and I will off the other plane, and now I will project this geometry, this outer diameter, and from here I will switch to the wireframe, and I will create a 3-point arc, and I will make it equal, and this is this dimension. If you see here in a top view, so it is a 47, so from this point to this point 47, I will select this and this horizontal dimension 47 divided by 2, and I will draw a straight line, and I will make it horizontal, and its position is a 50 mm. So I will select this and this, and I will move the dimension. So first I will 47, and I will make it symmetric. So here is a conflict, I will delete it, and I will select this point and this point and give it is 50 mm. Now I will join the line, close this profile and close this one. Think it is conflicting, so I will delete this. I will delete it. Now I will come out of the sketch, switch to the flat lines, and extrusion length we can find here is a 40. So I will go with a pad and give here 40, and here also we will go with a symmetric to the plane and say OK. Now we will make this top feature. So for the top feature we have both the option, either we will go with a front plane or with a side plane. So as per convenience we will go with the front plane. Select this exit plane and create a sketch. Go to the tree view, hide it, and now I will create a circle, and its position is 100 mm from our center. So I will select this point and this point and give 100 mm. And this diameter is a 20, so I will select this and give diameter 20, and I will draw a 3-point arc. And I will merge the center, and I will move my arc like this, and I will project this geometry. And I will join these 2 points and join this and this. So this vertical we will delete. Now we will give the tangent relation, tangent and tangent, and radius is a 17.5. so I will select this and I will give radius 17.5. Okay, so here is our profile is close and it is fully constrained. So we will come out of the sketch. Now the extrusion length is 80, so click on the pad, give here 80 and give here symmetric to the plane and say OK. And now we will remove the material. So we will on the plane and select this YZ plane and create on the sketch, and cut dimension we will find here, which is given 17.5. so I will switch to the here wireframe and I will simply draw a rectangle, and this would be symmetric. So I will click on symmetricity, this point and axis, and we will remove this one. Now we will switch again to the flat lines click on project geometry. We will select this point and this point, and we will give the horizontal relation. Switch to the wireframe, and it is a 40, so I will give here 40, and position is a 57.5. so select this point and our projected point 57.5. now I will switch to the flat lines, and our sketch is fully constrained, so I will close it, go with cut, and here I will say true all, and I will say symmetric to the plane, say OK. Now I will off all the planes, and I will switch to the isometric, and from here I will give the color, so I will give the approximate color. So we have successfully converted this drawing into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench in FreeCAD. So this is a very simple tutorial for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD. I will provide this 2D drawing and 3D models in a video description, so any beginner user can practice, and in the case of any doubt the user can refer my model. So this is all about this tutorial. I hope you have liked this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.